This first activity is the cutting activity. I cut few strips and I made few lines on them and pasted them on the table. So it was an easy way for him to hold the paper and cut the lines properly, because children at this age, the beginning age from 2 years old, are still learning how to cut. So I felt this was an easy way for him to hold the paper and cut the paper properly. He really enjoyed cutting the paper. Yes, it created a lot of mess later on, but the whole point was that he enjoyed the activity. This next activity, what we did is that I gave him a tub and told him to throw the balls from the distance, so he can learn how to throw balls from the distance. This next activity is inserting colors in the roll. So I took a tissue roll and made few holes with the help of scissors, and I took these nails. It was in his toy, so I used them with this activity, and I colored the holes with the required colors of the nails he had, and he had to insert all the pins in the hole, and he had to match all of them.
Come on, yeah, take out blue color. Show mama where is blue color.
I'm moving.
No, show me in your hand. Okay. Where is green color?
Okay.
Take out green. Show mama where is green. Okay, eat. Take orange. Take out red. So you know your colors? Yes?
This next activity is how we learned uppercase and lowercase letters. So I had few flashcards of the uppercase and I told him to find the lowercase letters from bin.
Now you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 and then 50. Where is 50? 50. 50 means 50. 4 के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after 4?
50.
Yes. Then what comes after 5?
5.
5 के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after 5?
Yes.
नहीं.
Wait.
Then 6 के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after 6?
70.
70.
70.
Then 80. Good. Then 90. 100. Wow, amazing. Wow, amazing. I cut paper and other things. Okay. You use me to talk to people far away. Ji, Alhamdulillah. You use me to talk to people far away. Yes. Okay, you can take pictures with me.
Yeah.
Okay. I keep your hair tidy. Good. You use me to lock and unlock doors. Good. You sit on me. Good. Okay. I help some people see better.
No.
What do mama wear to see better? What do mama wear? Good. You hang up clothes on me. Show me. What is it? Which one is it? Okay. You can use me when you draw. What do you use to draw? Good.